I'm your computer teacher, Miss Insha Hussain, and today I'm taking your computer class, and I would like to tell you some important topic of computer system. So this chapter for class 9, 10th and 11th also. So come to the topic. We will discuss today a very important topic, and the name of our topic is computer system. So जब हम कंप्यूटर सिस्टम की बात करते हैं तो इन कंप्यूटर सिस्टम वी आर हैविंग द टू मेन कंपोनेंट्स. द फर्स्ट वन इज हार्डवेयर एंड द सेकंड वन इज सॉफ्टवेयर. या आप कह सकते हैं दैट द कंप्यूटर इज मेड अप ऑफ टू इम्पॉर्टेंट कंपोनेंट्स, हार्डवेयर एंड सॉफ्टवेयर. अब एक डेफिनेशन आप लोग बचपन से पढ़ते हुए आ रहे हैं. द थिंग्स विच वी कैन टच इज कॉल्ड हार्डवेयर एंड द थिंग्स विच वी कान टच इज कॉल्ड सॉफ्टवेयर. करेक्ट, ये राइट है. ओके, बट नाउ यू आर इन सीनियर क्लासेस 9, 10, 11, so we will just modify the language of art and we have to learn the new vocabulary also, so we will just little bit change the definition. Now come to the hardware. What is the role of hardware? What is the means of hardware? The hardware is follow the instruction which is given by the software. हार्डवेयर इज़ फिजिकल कॉम्पोनेंट्स जो कि सॉफ्टवेयर के दिए हुए गए इंस्ट्रक्शंस को फॉलो करता है, उन पे वर्क करता है. एंड व्हाट इज़ द रोल ऑफ सॉफ्टवेयर? सॉफ्टवेयर इज़ अ सेट ऑफ इंस्ट्रक्शन, सेट ऑफ रूल्स विच गिव द इंस्ट्रक्शन टू द हार्डवेयर व्हाट टू डू एंड हाउ टू डू. तो इस तरीके से हार्डवेयर एंड सॉफ्टवेयर बोथ आर लिंक्ड विथ ईच अदर. एक दूसरे के बिना दोनों का वर्क इम्पॉसिबल है. If hardware is not there, who take the instructions and who follow the instruction? If software is not there, who give the instruction to hardware to do the work? After the main components of the computer, we will come to the next process of our computer system, which is very, very important, and the name of this process is IPO. What is the means and what is the full form of IPO? First, I would like to tell you the full form of IPO. I stand for input unit, P for processing, and O for output unit. So guys, first we will discuss the input unit. What is the role of input unit? तो what is the role of input unit? तो input unit का ये role है, if user want to feed the instruction into the computer, and if user want to feed the data, information, instruction, lot of the thing into the computer, we want the input unit. Yes guys, input unit हमें help करती है हम डेटा को कंप्यूटर के अंदर इंसर्ट करने में. इनपुट यूनिट का रोल है डेटा को कंप्यूटर में इंसर्ट कराना. By the different kind of devices we can insert our data information into the computer. One more important use of input devices is that computer does not understand the language of human being. Computer does not understand the English, Hindi, Sanskrit and all. It is only understand the machine language which consists 2 digits, 0 and 1. So input unit हमारी हेल्प करती है टू कन्वर्ट आर लैंग्वेज इनटू मशीन लैंग्वेज. इट मेक आवर वर्क ईजियर दैट कंप्यूटर कैन अंडरस्टैंड आर लैंग्वेज, जो कि इनपुट यूनिट कन्वर्ट करती है मशीन लैंग्वेज में. बाइनरी में इट मीन्स 0 and 1. So I would like to tell you some important input devices. The first one is keyboard. Yes guys, keyboard. Keyboard is the most important input device. By typing your keys, you can insert your data into the computer. On your keyboard, you are having lots of the keys. You are having the alphabetic key, numeric key, symbol key, functions key, arrows keys. Okay. Now come to the second most important device of input unit, mouse. Yes guys, a handheld mouse is a very important input device. You can move your cursor by the help of the mouse, and you are having lots of the input devices: web camera, digital camera, microphones, light pen, joystick. If you want to play the game, you can use the joystick easily. Okay, now come to the next topic, next part, processing unit. So for understand the processing unit, come to the CPU. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. And what is the use of CPU? After inserting your data, who execute your instruction? So you need the CPU. CPU is the brain of the computer. Then CPU execute the instruction which is given by the input to computer. It calculate your data. It control your data. So without CPU we can't process our data and we can't able to see our result on the output devices. So CPU is the main important. So CPU play a very important role in processing unit. A CPU has 3 units. The first one is CU. CU stands for control unit. The second one is ALU, arithmetic logical unit. All the arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and lots of the things which is related to the mathematics we can calculate in this unit, arithmetic logical unit. And in last, memory unit, it means storage unit. Now after processing your data, what we want? We want result. So for seeing our result, we have to move on the next output unit. Yes guys, after all the processing, inserting the data, we have to come on the output unit. Output unit show our result. And one more important role of the output unit, that again output unit convert our human language into machine language, जो कि मैंने आपको बताया था binary 0 and 1. After converting the data into own language, output unit give us to the result on the screen. We are having 2 copy of data. The first one is soft copy and the second one is hard copy. We are having 4 output devices. The first one जिसपे हम अपना result देखते हैं, monitor. Yes, LED screens. Second one, printer. By printers we can collect the pictures. Third one, plotter, जिसमें हम large frame पे print कर सकते हैं picture को. And the fourth and the last one is speaker. You know very well what is the use of speakers. We can hear the music and whatever data we want to play. So guys, this is the whole process of IPO, input processing आउटपुट, जिस पे हमारा पूरा कंप्यूटर सिस्टम वर्क करता है. तो आई होप कि आपको चैप्टर समझ आया होगा. थैंक यू गाइज. स्टे होम, स्टे सेफ एंड डोंट स्टॉप योर लर्निंग. ओके, वी विल मीट इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो. थैंक यू. बाय.